In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair a horn, how to identify the airbag fault, tools to use, how to unscrew the steering nut, how to remove the airbag socket, how to remove the steering, how to remove the steering cover, then how to count the spiral, finally how to change the steering angle. Stay tuned. Welcome to Gari Auto Care. I'm Tim Wire. Right now I have Subaru Legacy. This vehicle has a problem with the, let me put ignition on. We have airbag light on the dashboard. Then horn doesn't work. So the problem is horn and airbag. So today I'm going to show you how to solve that. The first, I'm going to scan this vehicle using my Tinker scanner. This is the OPD2 location socket. I'm going to scan this vehicle using my Tinker software. Here is Subaru. That one. Subaru. So right now it's scanning. Although we have a lot of fault code, but our mission is airbag. So the fault code is 1D, which is driver airbag failure. You need a ratchet, star screwdriver, torque spanner, then box number 18 with the extension to perform this work perfectly. So the first thing, I'm going to use the torque spanner. This is the first tool I'm going to use. We have the torque screw, there are two in the steering. So this is the first one. This is the second one. So you are ready to remove the driver airbag module. Then we have the horn socket. Then we are going to use the sharp object to unlock the airbag socket like that. So this is the airbag module. Then this is the steering. The steering, we have nut number 18mm. So I'm going to use my box spanner with the extension with the ratchet. So this is the nut. Then after that, you need to remove the socket first before you unplug the steering. So the steering is out. Another thing is the steering covers. So you need to use star to remove those two bolts like that. After that, we have the steering lock here behind. Then you remove those covers. We have another cover here, the final one. Now we are done with covers. Now we need to deal with spiral. So it has two locks on the left and right like that. Then in that spiral we have 3 sockets. This is the second socket, the steering angle sensor socket, then the airbag socket. This is the spiral cable, and if you want to change the steering angle sensor, you need to turn this spiral cable clockwise 4.5 turns, then unclockwise 4.5 turns. At the end of that spiral, remove the steering angle sensor. Take the new spiral like this, turn clockwise 4.5 turns and clockwise 4.5 turns. In the end, insert back the steering angle sensor, just like that. Then you are done. After that, we are going to install back the spiral cable, that. So after doing that, make sure to insert the socket, the first socket, second socket, and the last socket. Then after that, you need to install back the covers. So tighten those two screws. Right now I'm going to make sure everything's intact. This is the last screw. After that, we are going to count the spiral, and remember we left that spiral on the unclockwise direction, so we are aligning by turning unclockwise. So those are marks, those are timing marks. So we are going to turn 2 turns clockwise. One turn, align to the mark, then the second turn, align to the mark, then we are done. I think right now we are almost done. So I'm going to install the steering back. Like that. So make sure the front wheel is aligned. So after that, you need to insert the socket back. Then you use 18mm box. The horn socket, like that. Then we have the airbag socket. After that, you need to lock that socket. Then you install back. After that, we have those two screws, the top screws. You need to tighten. This is the first screw. This is the second screw. I think right now we are done. The next is to fetch the previous data, then clear, like that. Also to clear the previous fault code, there were many, so you clear all of them. I think right now everything's okay. Let's start by testing horn. Horn is okay. Let me put ignition on. See the airbag light. Right now the airbag is okay, the horn is okay, and I have already cleared the fault code from the system. So right now everything's working perfect. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video.